Alright, we're back with, I think, part 5. And I think I'm getting closer. Yeah, I'm getting closer. But I've got a question for Wintermute, Catherine Ann Hauserman. I'm going to show you up real close quick here. Because RTFM, but this isn't telling me anything unless I'm missing it. But there's this power connector. Oops, you guys can't see it. There's this 5-pin power connector that's connected to right here on this control board for the fans. Where on a B5 Aorus gaming motherboard, B560 Aorus. Yeah, it's a gigabyte. It's a B560 Aorus Pro. Can someone find out if I can plug this into the motherboard? Where? There's got to be some place, and I don't know if I've got the room for it. This is kind of short. I'd have to go back in through here somehow and hook it up to a header on the motherboard, but I'm not sure which one. So if someone can point me in the right direction in that. Got the power supply hooked up. Got the single connector CPU, and I've got that hooked up to CPU on the power supply. Now I gotta put it back. See, now I disconnected it. See, now I disconnected it. I should have done that. But the double split connector, the 2/8 are on the motherboard. The split, the solid one here. We're just going to get flashlight. Again, I did this once already, now I'm doing it again because I got stupid and unplugged it. But I wanted to show you just how that's plugged in the CPU one and the power supply. The two 2x4s are on the motherboard, the split is on the motherboard. The split connector on the 20 plus 15 is on the CPU. That's kind of obvious, that's where it goes. The other one obviously on the motherboard where it goes. So I am getting closer. I'm just... Oh, and Wintermute and Catherine. What the buck is this? I'll get you up closer. This connector. I'm not sure what I connect to it, but it looks like it is connected to this end. So maybe this is a different power. I don't know. What's this end? It has this end. It's over here on the right side. And once again, and then I'm going to close out this video because I sound like a broken record. Where the fuck is it? Well, I just had it. Oh yeah, this 5-pin connector that is connected to this side. Now I thought this goes on here somehow, but no, that don't work. This don't go on here. See, that don't work. Looks like it would, but it don't. So where the the Cisco. This little connector right here. And then last but least, the 5-pin connector. I don't know, I'm confused. But I've got all the fans hooked up. To be honest with you, we are ready to rock and roll. Greg Guy, I've got your RAM installed. Not your RAM, but the RAM you suggested. And I took your advice and I got it. So again, anyone have any questions or answers on... I don't think I have a USB-C on the motherboard, so I'm not going to use that, I don't think. But again, if I really wanted to know that, I'd RTFM. That's what I think of RTFM. I go to the smarter people, Wintermute, Catherine, Jim. I get my answers a lot quicker, and they seem to be a lot more solid advice than RTFM, which does me nothing, so it sits over there. Anyway, we're one step closer. I gotta get the front panel connectors, and I don't have that many. There's only 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Reset switch, power switch, and the oh yeah, that's another thing. If I can find it. Okay, that's that 5-pin connector. HD audio, or the audio. Where does that go on the motherboard? I didn't see it. And I think I did see it. I'll have to look again, but the HD audio is around here somewhere. Where did I put it? Where it belongs already, and that's, I think, what I did. So I've got some cable management to do, obviously. I'm not much into cable managing because there's that 5-pin connector again that's hooked up to this. Maybe you can't see that. Get you a straight on shot. Okay. This cord here, 5-pin, is hooked up to that right there. This other one, and I have no idea what the doohickey fuck this is. Some kind of, I don't know, what do you call that? I think it might be for RGB. I don't know. It's for fan control because it's hooked onto this side. So I was thinking, this hooks up to this, that, no, that don't work. No, this goes into, no, that don't work, no. So, on my other one, and I can't find it on this one, there is a connector on my, other computer that this does plug into, and I just took the two. It's to hook the front fans to the rear fans, and you just take this, click, and it runs. I don't think I have one of these in my Be Quiet Pure Bass 600. It has one of these, but this kind of setup is just funky. One goes to one side, one goes to the other, yank. I don't know. So, Wintermute, Jim, Catherine, I'm going to look at my manual one more time, but I just wasn't seeing it. Their language to me is not making any sense, so there you go. Let's turn this thing around without breaking my back, which is already fragile enough. I don't really need to be doing things I shouldn't. Alright. Oh yeah, audio. Audio is in here somewhere and I'm just not fucking seeing it. Flashlight. I'll probably have to look at the damn manual, but I just want the other two questions on the, there's a system fan there. LED C2, D LED 2, optional fan. I got the CPU fan hooked up. LED C2. What's LED C2? It's on my TPM. It's right down there. And they did, in that box, there is a TPM module I could put in there if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to keep that turned off in BIOS. Oh my god, this is irritating me. I gotta put this somewhere. I gotta probably take this off. This, panel thing here, this does come off in the back. There's two thumb screws. This whole thing, this whole piece would come out, and then I can just reroute this in behind that. I gotta do some rewire. I'm just doing everything I can now, just so that when we are ready to fire this thing up, it's ready to go. Just not quite there yet. Some of this yet I'm not going to worry about. This USB 2, USB 3. Yeah, RTF, RTFM. And I don't have the manual to the case, so I'll just have to guess and say that it is. Well, this is the front USB, right? Well, if that's the case, it's not going to fit in there. Aha! I think I may have found it. And of course, I got a damn power cord in my way, so. Okay, so this is notched. It can only go on one way. Just like that. Audio. someone's gonna tell me where it's at. It's sitting right in front of me. I'm just not looking at it. I'm also looking for a 5-pin connector for. I'm not seeing no 5-pin connector. That's disturbing me. Because I don't know where the fuck you would put that damn thing. Or where you'd put that other. Maybe I can hook that up onto the motherboard. The other side. Not the pin one, but the front USB 1. Front USB 1. I'm not going to do this anymore. I'm just going to read the fucking manual. I'm not going to look at this board all night long looking for. I'm not seeing all you people are probably looking at the backside of my bald head, but. Found it. I think I have it plugged in upside down, but I think I found it. Where's the key? Ow! Okay, so I was right. It does go on the bottom. Alright, got that one in. Then I'm just I'm do-daddling for now, but I've got to go. Got almost 20 minutes here. But yeah, we're getting there, folks. I'll do the front umbilical cords, front panel, get them wired up. Do another check with you guys to see if we're ready to go, but I think I am. We gotta get a monitor over here. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Yeah, that one's wired in, so I gotta undo a bunch of hooks and a bunch of nails and a bunch of things that I nailed the wires into, but we'll get it. I'll get a monitor, or I'll put that over here. I'll think of something. But anyhow, that's it. I gotta go. And until next time, bye for now.